guys, welcome back to our channel for another scrumptious recipe. Today we'll be making petite sausage quiches. They're so good. Let's get started. In a bowl, add in your flour, room temperature butter, cream cheese, and knead thoroughly. This requires a bit of arm power, but I know you've got this. Next, in another bowl, add in your egg, half and half cream, and mix thoroughly. Follow with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper. Sprinkle some flour onto your cupcake tray so your dough doesn't stick to the bottom. Shape your dough into tablespoons and make sure to press onto the bottom and up the sides to create your base. Now sprinkle in your minced chives and sausages. Make sure to add a ton but leave some for later. Next, pour your wet mixture into the shells. Sprinkle a good amount of Swiss cheese, your remaining sausages and chives. Bake until browned for 25 to 30 minutes on 375 degrees. Enjoy these petite sausage quiches warm and make sure to have more than just one because they're that good. Thanks for watching and follow us for back-to-back recipes during the last few days of Ramadan. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the bio.